Hello and welcome to High Voltages. PayPal is one of the best online payment services which is used worldwide. But make sure you are not scammed on PayPal because their virtual agent is still learning. In this video, we are going to see how we can get PayPal payment notification or IPN on Python. The method we are going to use uses webhooks and MQTT. And this payment can be used in vending machine made by Raspberrypi, Nodemcu or Arduino, and there are number of other applications it can be used for. So I want you to write in comments that where this method can be implemented. Before starting, please subscribe and press the bell icon so you will get notified for such videos. Watch till the end because there is a surprise in the end. Let's get started. The first thing you have to do is go to Zapier.com. Zapier is an online service to automate the workflows. It works like IFTTT. You will have to sign up for an account. You can sign up using Google or Facebook, or if you already have an account, you can just log in. After signing up, you will have to click on Make a Zap. Now we will create a trigger for our workflow. So in the when this happens part, search for webhooks and you will see webhooks by Zapier. Select it. Then you will have to select the trigger event. We will select catch hook here and then we will press continue. In the hook customized window, there will be a custom webhook URL. We have to copy it, then we have to press continue. Now to test our connection and to assure our workflow process, we will go to developer.paypal.com. Now we will search webhook simulator and go there. And here we will paste the URL which we have copied. In the event type, we can select any event and we will press send test. Here we can see the event status. Now we will go back to the Zapier.com and we will click on find hook. And we can see that Zapier have got a response from PayPal. Now the next step is we have to go to pubnub.com, which is an online cloud MQTT service. So we are going to use this service to get messages using MQTT. You will have to make an account here. If you already have an account, just click on login. Once you are logged in, you will have to create a new app and then you will have to give your app a name and then you can press create. Click on the app you have recently created and then click on the app key sets. Now go back to Zapier.com and now we will add action. We have already defined the trigger and now we have to define action so we can get MQTT messages on Raspberry Pi or Nodemcu or Arduino. So click on edit action and search for webhooks by Zapier and in the event select get and press continue. Now we have to put some parameters like URL and other things. The format of URL is this. In this URL we have to put our publish key and subscribe key. So we will go back to the pubnub.com and copy publish and subscribe keys and put this in the URL. Now we will copy the link and we will paste it here. And then leave other parameters and press continue. You can skip the test and now you will have to turn this zap or application on. Now we are done with online setup. Now we are going to write code for Raspberry Pi and Nodemcu. Now we are in Raspberry Pi window and the first thing you have to do is to install pubnub library. You can do that by typing pip to install pubnub equal to 3.9.0 and it will take some time, so let's wait for it to finish. Once you are done with installation of the library, you can go to the code and in the code you have to replace two things, publish key and subscribe key. You can replace them by the keys which you have got from the pubnub.com. Now we will go to the shell and navigate to our folder, and then we will type python2 main.py. Now we will go back to the webhook simulator and we will enter the URL which we got from the first step while creating the trigger. And then we will press send test. And you will get notification on Raspberry Pi. Let's try it again. Now let's go to paypal.com. Until now we were using simulation, but now let's put this on PayPal so we will get notification when someone made payment in real. Now you will have to go to account settings and then you will have to go in notifications. There you will find instant payment notification. You will have to update it and then you will click on edit settings and then you will change the URL with this. And then whenever someone will made a payment, you will get notification on your Raspberry Pi. And don't forget to save your settings. Here is the code for Arduino and Nodemcu. You will have to change the Wi-Fi SSID, password and publish and subscribe key. So let's run it and check it through the simulator. And you can see that we got notification on Nodemcu. We can use this notification to trigger any output. So this is it. Hope you like the video. If you do, so please tell us in comments how you are going to use this method. And please subscribe and share for more such videos.